In the name of Allah, the Compassionate, the Merciful. Sheikh Abdullahi Nasser Joma, known as Sheikh Abdullahi Nasser, was born in 1932 in the city of Mombasa, Kenya. Abdullahi Nasser returned to Mombasa in 1950 after studying at Zanzibar Teacher Training College in Tanzania and worked as a teacher at Mombasa Muslim Education Institute. He also participated in the independence movement of Kenya when he was young and was a representative of the people of Mombasa in one of the parliamentary terms. From 1974 to 1977, the late Abdullahi Nasser was the head of the East Africa branch of Oxford University Press. Sheikh Abdullahi Nasser, who was considered to be one of the prominent Sunni scholars, became inclined toward the Shia school in the 1960s. After researching and studying a lot, especially studying the valuable book of Al-Qatir, Allama Amini, he realized the truth of the Shia school and became Shia in 1975. Before officially announcing his change of school between 1978 and 1980, Sheikh Abdullahi worked as the East African representative of the World Assembly of Muslim Youth, based in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. This Shia scholar, in addition to activities such as building a seminary school and a library, as well as debating with Sunni muftis in defense of the authenticity of the Shia school, and given speeches in Tanzania, India, Pakistan, England, America, and Canada in English and Swahili languages, also left behind more than 25 books and treatises in the Swahili language. And some of them have been translated and published in English and Rwandan languages. He wrote Ma'al Zuna Majibu's book Takiana Shia, Shia and Takiya, which was actually a response to the book Al-Qutut Al-Arida in rejecting Shiism, written by Muhibbuddin Khatib in Swahili language. This influential member of the World Assembly of Ahlal-Bayt, peace be upon them, also established Imam Ali Seminary School and a public library in Kenya. In response to his preaching and religious services in April 2011, he was awarded the Abbasi Medal, which is named after the name of Hazrat Abbas, by the Federation of Shia Koja Ithna Ashari Communities of Africa. Finally, Sheikh Abdullahi Nasser, after a lifetime of scientific and cultural struggle in the direction of promoting the Ahlal-Bayt school, passed away in the year of 14,000 at the age of 89, and was buried with the passionate burial of Shias and devotees of Ahlal-Bayt in Ganjuni Cemetery, Mombasa. In part of the condolence message of the World Assembly of Ahlal-Bayt, it is stated, the deceased was one of the main members of the General Assembly of the World Assembly of Ahlal-Bayt, peace be upon them. And during his blessed life, he played a lasting role in publishing the knowledge of Ahlal-Bayt and educating many people in Kenya and neighboring countries by authoring numerous books.